Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Suburban Smoking with Steve. Today we are doing bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers on the smoke. This afternoon we're going to a neighborhood Christmas party and it's kind of an appetizer themed thing. So instead of smoking a brisket or smoking pork, I decided to do these kind of finger food jalapeno poppers. I did 12 jalapenos, cut them in half, cored them. I'm gonna cut the bacon in half and wrap them with toothpicks. And then for this, we have 8 ounces of cream cheese. That's room temperature, it's very soft. And we're gonna use about a cup of blended cheese and a couple tablespoons of Dano's Original Spicy Seasoning. This is harder than it looks. All right, so we got 23 of them done. We're gonna take them out and put them in the smoker. Okay, so we got it set for 180 degrees. And we're gonna smoke for a half hour at 180 and then a half hour at 375. So they've been on for about 30 minutes at 180. As you can tell from my smoker, this side cooks a little faster than that side. So I'm gonna rotate them 180 degrees, hit them with a little apple juice, turn it up to 375 and smoke them for another half hour. So I came out to check on them and my smoker for some reason was reading 460 degrees and look what happened. So that's going to be the end of this episode. Thanks for joining us. We can't do final thoughts, I guess, sir. But look, now it's on 375. It was there. I don't know how it got burned. Oh well, stay smoky. So if you've been watching my show, this is episode number 12, I believe, and I'm trying to learn. I'm learning what I'm doing, and as you can tell by this episode, sometimes we make mistakes. After thinking about it all night, I think the bacon had too much fat on it, and it all just melted off and flared the whole thing up and everything burned to a crisp. So again, as I said before, and I'll say it again, smoking is more of an art than it is a science, and I'm learning every day. So final thoughts, we learn and we live. Stay smoky.